Welcome to FusionFox Talent 360 tutorial. In this tutorial, we will show you how to register and maintain employment contracts. This application is located in Human Capital Cloud T90 stack under HCM Essentials module. Let's open this application and see how we can manage employee contracts. We can see that there are two existing contracts. We will open one contract, which is for David Austin, and we will see how to define the contract here. Let's open the wizard through which we can create new contracts. So first thing is to select an employee for whom you want to create the contract. All the details of the employee populates automatically. Define the contract period. In this case, this contract is for 2 years. You can define the contract type. Whether it's a direct or indirect contract, that is, whether it is directly signed with the employee, or there is any third-party or manpower contractor involved in between. Then the contract status and employment type. This is for incumbent or non-incumbent. If this employee is already incumbent, it comes automatically here. You can also link a workflow to take appropriate approvals on this particular contract before this can be formalized. And then, in the next tab, you can see that you can copy all contracts for this employee so that you don't need to define everything again. You can copy the previous contractor if this contract is getting renewed. So, you can just change some terms if there are any, or you can simply renew the contract. You can define FTE. And in this case, for this person, FTE is 80%, and working hours are 8 hours per day. The leave unit is days, and you can define hours as well, so that a person can apply for leaves in hours also. So it depends on your agreement with the employee. Payment currency, work schedule. You can select standard if this person is following the standard work schedule of the company defined by the organization or operating location. Otherwise, the system is capable to define a different work schedule also. This document number is the contract number and contract date. If this person is having indirect contract, then you can define the contractor through which this particular employee is engaged. Also, you can define the billing unit, billing rates, and so on. So this is the first thing to create a contract. Then we will see the leave eligibility of this employee. What kind of leaves that particular employee is eligible to. In this case, you can select the leave name and accrual type. It is accrued on a monthly basis, or yearly basis, or semester basis, and number of days. So you can define all kinds of leaves for that particular employee under this contract is eligible to take. Then, the compensation structure that will be provided to this employee. Here you have a base pay annually 36,000 euro, and transportation is 3,600 per year. So monthly amount is divided by 12. The system can calculate and update the compensation information of the employee. Then we have contract documents, where you can upload all kinds of documents related to this contract. Contract copy can be uploaded, and also you can define and download these documents. You can also define the work schedule if this person is not following the regular working hours of the company, or the FTE is not 100%. You can define what days this person is working and what days he is not working. As you can see in this case, because FTE is 80%, this person is also not working on, let's say, on Friday. So Sunday is no, and Monday is yes, Tuesday is yes, Thursday yes, Friday is no. So this person works 4 days a week. So this is how the FTE is calculated if it is 80%. That's all we have in this tutorial, and we will discuss more in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.